What's going on? I'm John Moog from 98.5 KLUC. This is Jason Egan, creator and owner of Fright Dome at the Adventure Dome at Circus Circus. So tonight is the Cheerleader Chop Up 2.0. We have the Foothill High School cheerleaders in studio, and we've thrown in a little bit of a twist. They think that the basic high school cheerleaders are going to be here with them. All that is a distraction so that they don't know that Fright Dome is here.
We actually, tonight, we're bringing our half girls. They're the other two basic cheerleaders that are going to be slaughtered out in the hallway. So we've got their legs separated from their bodies. And then, like I said, we've got little Nadine that's playing the part of the cheerleader. We've got Leatherface hiding in the other studio to come abduct Nadine and yank her out of the studio. We have went all out for this year, but we even have our makeup artist to murder out the hallway just before the cheerleaders come back out of the studio terrified. It's going to be insane. Let's hope it goes off flawlessly. We're not messing around. I mean, I think this was really well thought out this year.
I think so too.
Pleased with the idea so far?
Absolutely. You ready to do it?
I'm ready to do this. Let's do it. Let's scare the living heck out of these cheerleaders.
All right, let's make it happen.
Foothill, here we come.
It's 98.5 KLUC, Las Vegas' #1 hit music station. What's going on? It's John Moog, and we have the Foothill High School cheerleaders in studio tonight. Yeah! And we have the basic high school cheerleader in studio tonight. So I don't know where your friends are, but I'm lost. Doing their hair. They said they would be here by 8:15. I was thinking,
even at your best, you're basic.
Well, it's better than your mascot. What is it? The pigeons?
The falcons. We're the falcons.
Oh, sorry, bird. That's kind of it.
So the game is again this Friday night, and it's at Basic. It's the homecoming.
I'm pretty sure, no, that's real. Oh my God, I was sitting over in the corner crying. I know you were. It was not funny. I was poking your head. I'm very sorry.
In this room, let's grab the phones.
Oh, there's blood all over your leg.
Yeah, we just
Mine.
Oh my God, it's still.
You know the people.
So yeah, all right.
Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah!